everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today is a little bit of a productive day. I apologize, I haven't made no videos in the past couple months, just been kind of busy getting a lot of stuff done. But guys, we are up here today at HPR. We're gonna get some stuff done. As you can see, you look right there, blues on the rack under surgery. Wondering what's going on? Well, that's off, and you see a lot of suspension stuff's off, so you're wondering what's going on. Well, we've been kind of holding this as a little secret. We are actually putting in a 373 iron case Torsen in the back of the car. As many of you know, I'm staying NA with the car. So here's what we got going in today. We got, like I said, iron case 373 Torsen, GT350 axles from Performance, and a few goodies from BMR suspension, just to help with the wheel hop issues that are probably going to come with this. But anyway,
wheel hop if you got a good enough tire.
He does have a point. If you got a good enough tire, you ain't gonna wheel hop. But I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of head off the pass, try to avoid it at all possible. But anyway, guys, trying to get y'all caught up what we got going on right now. So the exhaust's already out. I've already got suspension blown out. The axles are out. Rear end sitting right here, ready to come out. Just gotta take a few bolts out, and this whole thing will drop out of the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Got a new trans jack we're gonna get to play with. So anyway, guys, catch you up. Let's get to it. Guys, you just saw we just got the 315 all aluminum chunk out of the car. It's really not that difficult as long as you know what you're doing. You got, of course, the normal stuff. Take the axle, suspension, brakes, get it out of the way, like if you're going to do lower end springs or if you're going to do axle, anything like that. Literally the only thing left that was after that was the 4 drive shaft bolts and the 4 differential carrier bolts. Now here's one thing I am not doing. I am not putting poly bushings or anything in, just because simple fact I like it being tame driving. And most of the time when you put all that poly stuff in, you start getting the NVH coming through the car. But as of right now, guys, like I said, 315's out, and we're about to get the 373 on there, get it prepped, ready to go in. So hang tight 1 second, and we're gonna get to the rest of the action. just saw in that time lapse, we just got all the goodies put in the rear end, and I'm going to go over it with you one more time what we just put in. We did put in a iron case 373 Torsen out of a manual track pack car, changed the flange out to the automatic flange. We did put in the BMR CB005 kit, and also put in their billet vertical links at the same time. So we got all this in and done. Oh boy, filled it up with 2 quarts of fresh 75/85 and the bottle of friction modifier per Ford specifications. And got the wheels on, everything's torqued, everything's ready to go. So now we're gonna get it on the ground. We're gonna let the differential, we're gonna put it in gear, let it kind of roll over a few times, make sure everything gets some fresh fluid on it. And we're gonna go take up the road, see what this thing does. Ken, what do you think it's gonna do?
Look, I don't know. Took on me slow.
We'll catch you in the car. All right, guys, well, we just got everything done. I did a quick test drive up the road, make sure everything was good. Now we're actually gonna take up the road and throw it to it a little bit. Ken's riding with me. He actually brought his draggy, so we're gonna see what the draggy actually says is going on. I'm on a Michelin Pilotsport PS4 315/30 GT500 pull-off on the back. So it should hold, but also with the gearing, it may get a little squirrely, we don't know. But that's it. We're gonna see what this thing's gonna do.
Going from a 315 to a 333, I'm highly interested in what it'll do at the track.
Yeah, because like I said, you said the car you drove that was 10R80 was what? A 355 car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where we want to go?
How's it feel so far? Like, just general driving.
Barely having to give it gas, and just having even a lot less gas.
I want to see it on the drag strip. I want to see it on the drag strip.
You and me both.
But yeah, I mean, you can cams, Cobra Jet, take some weight out of the car. Let me drive it for you. I'm a free 10th, man.
This is true.
I've lost weight too, man.
This is true.
Like, I'm down to, I was like 215, I'm down to 195.
There's a 10, that's a 10th.
Yeah, I'm 100 pounds lighter than you are now. Oh, probably over now.
No, actually, last time I weighed, I was like 270.
It's not quite a 10th yet.
Close enough.
Close enough. You know, I've always wanted to do an all-out NA build on a 10R80 car. Because I think that's where the 10R80 shines more than anything, is in naturally aspirated.
Well, I agree with you wholeheartedly.
You know, I can use a trans brake. If you let me drive it, I'll use the trans brake feature.
No trans brake. No trans brake. I don't want the trans to brake.
373s. I'm going to see exactly what it does. I've always been curious.
And the bad thing is, I'm sure you just felt it there too. It acted like it was pulling power in between the shifts a little bit too.
Well, you had it. No, you had it in sport, didn't you?
I had it in sport, but the traction control was still on.
Nah, it was. You were good. Nah, it felt good.
It does feel good.
I mean, I think.
There's 70. 2,000 RPM. That's freaking.
Yeah.
Dude. Don't even have to gear down to pass nobody.
They should have came with 373s from the factory.
That's not bad at all. So, okay, I gained 300 RPM. Really? Ford should have put a little bit better gear in this from the factory.
I'm interested. Hopefully Friday night the track's open. Last 2 Friday nights ain't been open.
Weather has hindered us. So, but anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and also go check out Speed Addict 731's channel and check out our shop, HPR, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Google. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a good one. Stay safe. We'll catch you later.